No bravos. Ah, they don't have bravos. How do you call me to be a judge and you don't have bravos? Eish. Sawubona. Chef Makamolon. We are still honoring the invite from University of Pretoria, Tax Res Food Services.
Chef Makamo.
Chef Makamo. Inyama lena, did you brine it? Tax Res, did you brine the chicken? You didn't brine the chicken. Yeah, but it seems like they brined the potatoes.
Yeah.
So it's something. What did you put here? Salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper and garlic.
And garlic?
Yes.
Okay.
Which spices do you put? What do you think?
Chicken chops.
You want to tell us something, mo? Not tell us. Not tell us, mo. Hey, this thing looks lekker, man. What's the thing, mo?
Black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper, garlic, paprika,
and barbecue spice.
Barbecue spice.
Yeah.
How's it? So you didn't brine the chicken? No one brined the chicken. Oh, you're making lamb stew?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, good.
Okay, so you're searing it?
Yes, I'm searing it with moist water.
It's a bit too much though, it's gonna steam, but I understand because there's no time. Alright. The Prime Master himself. Well, we've been praying for how long? For how many years? 40 years now? More than 40 years? Chai! No, we need to learn from the best. Lamb? It's actually nice and tender. And then no yuralang no.
Try simmering.
Simmering. Okay, people they are doing proper things, huh?
Yeah.
From marinating to searing, from searing to simmering, application of spices, Tax Res Food Services, whoever that is training your staff is doing a wonderful job. Chef Makamolon. Siyabonga.